Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're starting Stage Manager now. First, confirm iOS 26 and device compatibility, then open Control Center and tap Stage Manager. Once done, allow more apps to let multiple windows appear. Connect an external display if you'll need extended desktop, and choose Display Mode from the Control Center to match your workflow. You should see overlapping windows and a dock-like strip on the left. Make sure to grant permissions when prompted so apps can float and snap correctly. Now you'll organize the workspace. Drag apps up from the dock or app switcher into the Stage Manager area, then resize each window using the corner handles to prioritize content. Once positioned, use snap zones to anchor windows and choose Split for side-by-side editing. To create persistent groups, drag one app onto another and release to form a set that recalls layout and app combinations. Remember to name or pin groups for quick recall. This keeps complex workflows consistent across sessions. Finish by saving your layout. Pin important windows or save app groups so you can return to them quickly, and learn keyboard shortcuts to cycle spaces if you use a physical keyboard. Adjust external display arrangement in settings to match your monitor orientation, and choose extended versus mirrored modes to control how apps flow. If windows behave oddly, restart Stage Manager from Control Center or toggle, allow more apps off and back on. If problems persist, reboot the device to clear transient UI states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.